Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? I am also quite well. The previous day, we have solved 4 questions of exercise 13.8. Today, we will start question number 5th and remaining other questions. How many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? We have to find the volume of hemispherical bowl, and after that we have to change volume in liter. Now this one is a hemispherical bowl and the diameter is given 10.5 centimeters, so the radius is 10.5 by 2. Then we can change this 1 centimeter, and we remove the point and 105 by 20, and this one 5 4 521 this centimeter. We can write this here. Volume of hemispherical bowl is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then here 2 by 3, the value of pi we have to take 22 by 7, and r cube means 21 by 4 into 21 by 4 and also 21 by 4, because the volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. And we calculate this. 21 to 21 cancel, this one 2 2 1 ja 2 11 ja. Then the product of this 11 into 441 upon 16. Now the product of this will be equal to 441 0 and 441, then 4851 upon 16, 4851 upon 16. Then we calculate this in decimal, then this one is equal to 16 3 are 48 0, 16 3 are 48, remain 3, 16 1 are this, and now this one is 16 3 are 0, after that 51, 16 3 are 3, 16 1 are 16, 4 6 point here, and 16 2 are this. Then here this one is centimeter cube, but we know that this one is in centimeter cube, so 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter, and 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 upon 1000 liter, and here that volume is this 303.12 centimeter cube is equal to 1 upon 1000 into 303.12. then the volume will be, the decimal come 3 digit forward, 30312 liter. We can write this approximately 0.303 liter. Okay, we have to take 3 digit after decimal. Then this hemispherical bowl can hold 303 liter of milk. The next question is question number 6. A hemispherical tank built with iron sheet of 1 centimeter thick. This question we have solved previous day. Next question is find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Then we have to find the volume and surface area is given. Here this is a spherical and we can take the radius r and surface area is given, so surface area of sphere is equal to 154 centimeter square. Then this implies that we know that surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square and equal to 154. According to problem, we can put numerically equal to the formula. And here 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equal to 154, and this implies that r square is equal to 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22, transporting of 4, 22 and 7. Then here 22 ones are 22, 22 sevens are 154. Then r is equal to square root of 49 upon 4. And here r equal to 7 by 4, 7 by 2. And volume of spherical is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Then 7 to 7 cancel, 4 to 4 cancel, and this one is 22 sevens are 154 into 7 upon 3 to the 6. And here this can calculate 2 3s are 2 7s are 2 7s are 7 7s are 49, carry 4, 7 7s are 49 or 4, 53 upon 3, and the volume will be equal to 3 1s are 2, 3 7s are 2, 3 9s are 27, 3 6s are. We can take one place of decimal, centimeter cube. Again check 4 by 3 pi r cube, and this one is 7 to 7 cancel, 2 2s are 4, sorry 4 to 4 cancel, 22 7s are 154, 154 into 7 upon 6. Then we can calculate this. This is divided by 2 3 times, and this is 77 times. And here 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49, 4, 53 upon 3, and 3 1s are 3, 2 3 7s are 21, 2 3 9s are, this centimeter cube is the volume. The next question is, a dome of a building is in form of a hemispherical. It was whitewashed at the cost of 498.96 from inside. The cost of whitewashing at the rate rupees 2 per square meter. Then find inside surface area dome and volume of air. Let us. This one is the dome of a building, and here we can take this one is radius, and cost of whitewashing is 498.696 rupees at the rate of rupees 2 per meter square. Now let the CSA of dome is equal to x meter square. Let the CSA means we have to paint on CSA, so we can take this x meter square. So rupees 2 expand on is equal to 1 meter square, and rupees 1 expand on is equal to 1 by 2 meter square, and rupees 498.96 expand on 1 by 2 into 498.96 meter square. We can calculate this. 2 2 जा 2 4 जा 2 9 जा and 2 4 जा and 2 8 जा meter square. So x is equal to 249.48 meter square. So CSA is 249.48 meter square. Therefore, if the CSA is this, then we can take x is equal to 2 pi r square is equal to 249.48, because we can take numerically equal to the formula 2 into 22 by 7 into r square equal to 249.48, and r square is equal to 249.48 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Then here we remove the point and then calculate. We can calculate by without removing the point here. 2 1 जा 2 1 जा 2 जा 4 जा point, 2 1 जा 2 2 जा 4 2 4 जा 9 नहीं 2 4 जा 8 2 4 जा 8 1 7 and 4, and here r square is equal to 124.74 into 7, and r square equal to 124.74 into 7. Here into 7, then r equal to square root of this r square 7 4s are 28